In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off automated ad assassins in Google Ads. Before we jump in, here's what we're doing and why it matters. Automated assets are add-ons Google generates on your behalf, like automatically created site links or callouts. They can help your ads show more information, but they don't always align with your messaging or compliance needs. Turning them off gives you full control over exactly what appears with your ads. To get started, look to the left-hand navigation in your Google Ads interface and open the Campaigns section. When the pane expands, select Assets. This takes you to the asset table for the area you're managing. It's the best place to see what's currently associated with your campaigns and to access the controls we need. At the top of the asset table, find the More menu. It may appear as a three-dot icon or a button labeled More, depending on your screen size. Click that and choose Account-Level Automated Assets. This view shows you the automated assets that Google can apply across your entire account, not just a single campaign. It's helpful because any changes here will apply consistently, so you won't have to repeat the same edit in multiple places. Once you're in that account-level automated assets view, look again to the top right of the table and open the More menu. From there, select the option to edit the advanced settings. This is where you can disable automations for the automated ad assets you don't want Google to create or show. As you adjust these settings, review each option carefully so you maintain the assets you find useful and turn off only the ones that don't fit your strategy. When you're done, confirm and save your changes so they take effect. A quick note on impact and best practices. Disabling automated assets means your ads will rely on the assets you create manually, which can improve brand consistency and compliance. If performance shifts, it usually reflects that your ads now show only the assets you've approved. You can always come back to the same advanced settings to re-enable specific automations later. If something you expect to see isn't there, try adjusting your date range or checking your permissions, as some roles have limited access to account-level settings. And there you go. You've taken control of automated ad assets right from the Assets section, using the More menu and advanced settings to disable the automations you don't want. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit these steps anytime you want to refine your asset strategy.